If you don't understand what is going on in Palestine, and you don't understand or you don't feel, it hasn't touched your heart to see innocent little kids, women, children just being martyred, just being killed, being slaughtered in Palestine for no reason. Allama Iqbal very beautifully says, he says, "Kaun kehta hai, kafan safed hota." He says, who says that the kafan that you are wrapped in, that material that you are putting when you are being buried, who says that that material is white? He says, "Kaun kehta hai ki kafan safed hota hai, maine laal jore mein bhi janaza dekhe." He says, I have seen people being wrapped in blood, in red, covered in the blood, and being buried in that situation. So we need to voice our opinion. We need to stand up. We need to stand up for what's right. The little that we do, sometimes we may think that I may post this thing, or I may share something on social media, or I may just have a discussion, small discussion with somebody. It is very little. What difference is it going to make? Every small act that you make, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is witnessing it. You do it with a sincere intention, it will make a big difference, inshallah. Support these rallies, support these marches, show your support as the Muslim Ummah. Show that we are united when it comes to standing for our brothers and sisters in Palestine. Show your support. Whatever little that you can do, there are marches throughout. I think there are some in Overport, there are going to be some in Sherwood, in Musgrave, in Phoenix, in North Beach. Throughout, you will follow the social media, you will see these marches. Join them. Take a little step towards standing up for justice. Inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bless you and reward you for this on the day of Qiyamah. Not only will we be rewarded for the ritualistic ibadah and the du'as that we make, but this one footstep that we take towards standing up for justice, we will be rewarded twice the amount for this as well. And a poet very beautifully said, he says, "Dua karo, yaro ki ye musibat bhi tal jaye." Just make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that this calamity that our brothers and sisters and our friends throughout the world are suffering, they are in this calamity and faced with this trial and this trouble and this test from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Make dua sincerely that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala removes this calamity. Make dua that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala removes this calamity. Kisi ka ghar suna na ho, ab hamara bhi bach jaye. He says nobody's home should be destroyed, or nobody should be left without a house or a shelter or place to stay. And at the same time, when we're making this dua, we should bear in mind that we should also protect and save our families and our lives as well. So like I said, when you go out, stand in support of the people of Palestine, stand up against injustice, but at the same time, take your precautions. We know we are heading for a third wave. Take your precaution, protect yourselves, protect your family, but at the same time, stand up and voice your opinion towards what is correct. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the tawfiq and hidayah, inshallah. Wa ma alayna illa al-balagh al-mubin.